spend way too much time by myself to the point that I'm now very much self-aware of like my behaviors and just things about me basically. And something that I think is not talked about enough is trying to come out of survival mode. Hear me out. So I feel like I have been in survival mode for a very long time, basically just existing and not living and enjoying life as I want to, even if I can afford to. That's the thing. Now, you see these boxes? This is basically furniture, as you guys might already know from the title of this video. But I'm about to unbox some things that I got for my room because I recently moved, right? You see these boxes? It took me such a long time, way too much time for me to accept the fact that I need them and I should buy them. I was saying, oh, I don't need a table and a chair, like a dressing table and a chair. I can do my makeup on the bed. That's all I've been doing, right? I have a big mirror here. I don't need to sit down and do my makeup. No. Mind you, I'm an overthinker. And I have accepted the fact that, yeah, I think a lot. And yesterday I was thinking, it's not just the fact that I overthink things, it's also the fact that I'm really very scared about things that have not happened. Now, when I was trying to get these things, I was like, you know what happens after here? What happens if, I'm moving out to a different space? How am I going to pack all this stuff? But guess what? You are growing, you are living somewhere, you need things, you need to get yourself comfortable. And exactly what I've been saying, come out of survival mode. Yes, you can do your makeup on the bed, but if you can afford to get a table and a chair, like a dressing table and a chair, why won't you do it? Why are you scared of what happens when I'm about to leave? It's going to be too much to pack, it's going to be too much to handle. Why are you worrying about the future when you can get comfortable now and live in the moment? It's been bugging my mind. It took me such a long time to get these things. And again, I'm a very indecisive person. So with being indecisive and saying, oh, I don't like how this one looks, I don't think this one is functional for me, I don't like this one, it kind of just made me almost give up on the whole idea. But I mean, I passed through that stage and we have some things to unbox. And yeah, I hope I like them. Again, I'm such an indecisive person that I was like, I bought one table, the first one, and I returned it in 30 minutes. Like I canceled the order within 30 minutes because I changed my mind. I bought a chair, hated it, returned it. The side table that I talked about in my previous vlog is here now. And I'm like, okay, let me see if I like it. And if not, I'm gonna return it. But yeah, I'm just basically just saying, I'm very proud of myself for trying to come out of just existing and start living life the way I want to live life, buying the things that I want and can afford to get, and not just trying to be or not trying to manage, because I do that a lot. I might want something so bad, I can get it, but I'm like, no, this one I can still manage. And I'm trying to I feel like there should be a balance here, but I'm trying to come out of that survival mode of just being comfortable with where I am. And with growth, I feel like I should also be growing in every aspect of my life. So like the quality of my life and everything should just be getting better, right? Anyways, I feel like I've spoken for such a long time just to talk about furniture, but me getting these things, it was a mental battle for me, and I'm glad that I got it, and I hope that I like it and I don't have to return it because I'm an indecisive person. And yeah, fingers crossed. I have my cardboard cutter here, so let's get to unboxing. Okay, so the first one, this is the first one that we have. And yeah, so it's like a bedside table that I found on, this was from B&Q, I guess. But yeah, so I'm also trying to film for TikTok. So we have to get a balance from here and here. But yeah. You know my problem with these people? It's just pictures. Like literally just pictures and numbers. How am I supposed to read this? Trying to film this very well, but I think I'm also going to change these curtains to match this whole vibe that we have going on here. I already ordered some curtains, but yeah, I want to change these curtains that came with the room. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, and I love it. Imagine after spending like almost 3 hours, you want to tell me that I'm going to return this table? No way. It's so cute actually, and I love it. Okay, so approximately 2 hours 30 minutes have gone by, because I started by like 9:20 and this is 11, so we still have 2 more boxes to go. But yeah, the next one I haven't eaten. I think I want to eat first and then get back to this. But the next thing we're unboxing is my chair. comfortable, you guys. It's not plastic, it's not plain wood, it has like nice cushion and it's so comfy. Love it. So if you've watched the previous video that I uploaded, let me know. Let me know what you think about this chair compared to the other one. I don't know what I was thinking then. This is more like it, you know, it's giving chic, it's giving that girl. But yeah, it took me such a long time to decide on the color of the legs, because you could have gone with gold or black or I think one other color. But I wanted to go with gold, not black, because I just feel like I was getting too many black pieces. And no, so I went with gold because the vibe of the table that I'm going for, like the decor on the table, is beige, brown, gold. If you get the picture of what I'm going for. So I was like, let the chair have gold legs, and yeah. So I've been eating on my bed. That's why I'm staying here to film this video. Because we have a chair now. See what I'm saying? Life is good. Life is just good. I'm gonna put the link if you guys want it. But the chair is from Cult Furniture in the UK. This is a dressing table. This is so complicated. I'm stressed. I'm only a girl. There's only so much I can do. I'm tired. The steps are there. It's how to oh God help me. But I'm actually tired. Like, this is where you need a man in your life. But yeah.